Hello everyone, welcome back to Sawdust and Circuits. Today we're giving this ZK-1002T amp a proper home. No more flopping around on the bench like it's a fish out of water. It's time for a custom 3D printed enclosure with proper ports, clean cable routing, and dare I say, dignity. I designed this case to be compact, functional, and most importantly, something you won't be embarrassed to show off next to your speakers. This is printed in PLA because, let's face it, this amp isn't going to be in a volcano. The design includes ventilation slots up top to help the heatsink breathe, and the mounting is clean using the covers for the front and rear. This gives a lot of future options for this enclosure. The front cover holds this board using the original pots as the mounting. This keeps the board suspended in the center of the enclosure. Now let's talk connections. I did have to make these extension wires, and for that I used 22 AUG silicone wire. I always tin the connections whenever I'm using screw terminals. The power plug had to be soldered onto the PCB. This was very easy on this unit. Now we just have to connect the banana plugs for the speaker output. No more alligator clips barely hanging on like they're on their last nerve. I tried to keep this simple. Drop the board in, run your wires. The only thing is the case is covering the 3.5mm aux input. This amp does have Bluetooth, so for my use, it's not necessary. Now we just pop on the lid and drop in a few M3 screws and we're ready to rock. This thing may be small, but it'll push some serious volume when paired with decent speakers. I'm powering this using a 12-volt 3-amp power adapter, but it handles anywhere from 12 to 24 volts DC. Just watch your speaker impedance and don't go full Mad Max with your power supply. If you've got one of these ZK amps lying around, give it a proper home. It deserves better than just a pile of wires. Let me know if you want the STL files, and as always, like and subscribe, and let me know what else you'd want to see boxed up next. Until then, stay loud, stay curious, and I'll see you next time.